Woman
We are cook more food there.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, correct.
Put the thing now, please.
Yeah, man, so give me that Wednesday, man.
Yeah, give man.
I put the rice in there.
Where you want?
You present the thing to the world, you know.
That's me, so they can call me on this. We don't miss.
You want to put on the man, no. You don't want no voice.
Just a little bit, just a little teeny bit. I just taste one taste it so I can approve you. Because if you know, that's it.
It's a good for you know. Yo. Don't be that good for you.
Why goat spoon eh? Why goat spoon? Yeah.
Yo, my virgin. There.
And your name? So you work with him all the time. And you know you teach him for cook.
Two? Oi.
You say I'm mixed up with you, man.
We don't.
Listen, maybe you cannot put pork and everything together.
No man, that. See spoon I use this man.
But you are dip it down in there, so.
Yeah, the picture you put in the plate.
Alright, I go some.
Yeah, I go put the co.
Put some vegetables for you know, my vegetables. So.
Yeah.
All the way from now in Manchester. You cook for how many years?
More than 20 years.
21. And you are the big chef around here, son?
No, I'm me alone.
The Rasta?
The Rasta.
Okay. So you want for people for call you for cook for them all across Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
When them have them events?
Yeah, man.
Okay, well, I'm going to taste it and make it.
Yeah, wrong, man.
First, I'm going to taste the rice and peas.
Yeah.
Come on, Fee. Hold this for me, sir. More Fee.
Understand, I know.
More Fee. Understand how this thing are going. Hold this, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, just hold that, sir.
No, hey, sit down. Yeah, come.
So first we have to check out the rice.
Check the rice.
Because the man say he's not the best in Jamaica.
Yes, sir.
Oh, but,
Got nice there, so.
Okay, wait the fuck. Put it for me, Baba, hold it for me, good.
Hold it, Baba.
You want to taste it, you know?
You want to taste it already?
Yeah.
What? Turn it round. Yeah. Wait, let me taste the rice again.
Taste
There's
it
something special about it. You put a little ginger in it, you know.
Yeah, man.
You put a little ginger in it.
Yeah, man. Ginger have to go in the rice. Rice and peas, you have to put.
I see the thing with theme rice. Everything separated, you can count them.
Yes.
Sticky business.
In a stick.
And the coconut and the ginger just balance right.
Mm-hmm.
You have it, you know.
Alright.
You have it, you know.
Alright.
You're good.
Alright.
On the rice, me give you a 9 out of 10.
Alright, sir. Wow.
So you get 9.
9 out of 10 for the rice. You have for the rice. I'm going to trust the goat now.
Taste it good now.
Well, first thing with the goat, it's so soft and nice.
It's good.
It broke up, you know.
It mash up?
It's nice, guys. It's soft.
Yes.
You know, done.
Let me get another high score for the goat, you know.
How much you get there?
Rasta!
Get another 9 for
You
the
get
goat.
another 9.
We call it food. That's not still
I talk about the goat soft,
Rasta!
not too spicy.
Yeah.
Alright. Now we'll go to the vegetable.
Yes.
Because I look a piece of cucumber in it. Close enough.
Yeah, man. You good, man. Yeah, man. Go.
So now this are the carrot and cabbage.
Yeah.
You have little vinegar in it.
Yeah, man.
You have some little sugar in it.
Yeah,
So
man.
I know your thing.
No, everything, man. Yeah, they spicy up with
Yeah. Another high score for you.
Go on again.
Where? I'm going to take the cucumber now. If you come, you have to come closer, come look for him, man.
Yeah, man, me good, man. Me I catch you, man.
Good, you sure say you record it?
Yes, man.
It's square.
Yeah,
the red
man.
square.
Yeah, man, good, man.
You see the cucumber now, him use the fork on it to make the line.
Aye, right, son.
And him keep him skin on it.
Yes.
Get up. Get up.
Family.
No, he can't find Valvo, man. It don't set
Another
already,
one.
man.
Him get another hand.
Get another 9.
Yeah.
So you got 270 pies.
Nah, no, what we are going to do?
I poke him, I go to murder everything.
No,
That's all.
him say the poke out murder me, so the piece of me go taste are the one with piece of skin.
Yes.
Alright.
Sending it up.
You see him get the 10 now.
You see?
Come, Dickie.
Him get the 10 for the hog. Yeah.
Watch him.
Yeah.
Them not tell you, man.
That's what them call you, Dickie.
Dickie.
Right.
My name to him is Mr. Dickie, but him is Mr. Moore.
Alright, sir. Now go bring some important people come meet you. And you get some high score.
Get.
Alright, sir, but we can't left out me.
No, man, we are talking about that. Talk about you, who you are left out. The man attack you, man. We don't left out nobody, man.
Yeah.
We're not bringing nobody that you might talk about.
Now we have to go buy out the whole thing.
You see those man come in here and buy 2 clear juice. Don't sir. 250.
Baba.
And you collect, and you say, keep the change. And you have Uncle bag on your shoulder. And one next bag round. And you left. That is same time been going there, so you know. And even a girl around here.
The real Jamaican authentic.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
How come you them hide you for so long? And now where them keep you?
Just down the bottom, make good.
So you cook for everybody, every 9 nights are you?
Most time.
Mm-hmm.
Most time, but the people then fight against me.
Why?
After last week, me every cook one.
I just don't have too much salt enough.
No,
That's why I'm
sir.
getting
You don't
high
taste
score.
the salt.
Yeah.
You don't taste the salt in that pork.
salt.
Just the seasonal one.
Yeah, you don't
tell,
taste the salt in that pork.
Tell when me start cook now if you want me to cook salt. If I start season up, me don't use no salt. I don't accent no salt.
Yeah.
No salt at all.
For years.
Cause this one, most of the people do.
Ross, sit down beside that old Dickie there.
Cook,
I'm sitting there, sir. Sit down there, sir. Over here.
Yes, sit down over this side.
So now you have to tell me. Right
No,
there,
go
sir,
closer,
man.
go closer to him.
So tell me about this man and you. How we work together to produce this?
Me work the pork and me work the chicken. Me no work, you work the pork and me work the curry goat and the chicken.
Say, you man
And
a
the
pork
rice
man
and
from a Rasta.
So, I know him cook the rice and peas. Are you cooking?
I did the rice cook that.
Yeah, man, I ain't cooking,
So-
man.
When you come and
Me can't cook it still.
when this man come here, me cook already. When you come already, me cook. I want you to cook in the pork.
I poke him at the master.
I want what you cook at the pork. Anything else I eat, I me cook it.
And you get the high score then, Rasta.
You want me to tell you anything else I me cook
And
it?
you know, you eat meat?
You man eat it.
You eat the pork too?
No, yeah, that's why I don't cook it.
Okay. So
You
you
run a party.
So the goat and the rice are you. And you put ginger in the rice.
I no ginger in there for eat good.
Eh?
No ginger no in there for they never buy none.
Okay.
I just me
Now we
do my
can't
thing.
cook it same like
You can't cook it no
we
man.
dey pan the same direction.
No wrong with me thing.
That's why me that tell you we call him.
Okay.
So you better tell if you call him.
Yeah. I tell him
Are
say.
you good? You're good. Why so soft?
Look like it's soft. I ain't no peka. You say you cook good.
Yes, yes. You know, peka.
You burn the curry
Look
first?
for me, Rasta.
No,
You
Yes.
burn the curry?
no, in a burn.
Ross,
Yeah.
you know, look for me. You know, peka.
No.
And you know mash up.
And in a mashup.
No, mashup.
Add the bone, sir.
So the rice itself, you can eat it by the grain.
And I want water me to cook it.
And I one water you clean.
One. Not throw no one in it.
You not throw no more water in it?
I throw him.
So far you throw the rice in the pot.
I want water.
No more water no go in there.
I'm not covered with nothing at all.
Wait, you not cover the rice?
No, when time is a cover, man. You know, say some people use the plastic thing.
Yes.
I sweat.
Nothing like that.
You know that?
No.
This is Jamaica with Norway, Manchester, with King Baba and the man called Mr. Moore.
Mr. Moore.
These two men are the master of chicken frying,
Chicken frying.
food cooking, farming. They are like brothers. Them drink together. Them share women together. Wanna do that too?
No.
No.
We sit down here. We sit down one day.
We are sit down every year.
Man,
Cook together.
man, cook together.
We eat together
Eh.
and we drink together. This man,
For years, 40 years.
40 years now, man.
Yeah, man.
So now we don't have a chicken style. You don't have to
Yes,
give away
we
the
have a
recipe.
style.
But you don't have a style.
When nobody don't get the
What is
recipe.
this style?
No,
Not
it's
the
a
recipe,
style.
the
It's a
style.
recipe.
Just this time.
It's a recipe.
Want to make sure the chicken not naked when it's in the pot. I want to make the aisle cook it.
Yes, the aisle. Yeah.
Nobody know further. What we do.
That is it.
We get the taste.
So them have to come on Norway. We are going to call
are
you
good intent.
the chicken king.
Are-
Chicken king of
are
now.
good- are
So
good.
when the tourists that's going to come here, because they might come because we're
Tourists are
global.
coming now.
Global.
Global.
And them
Yeah,
are go,
global.
them are go want you especially and you side by side for sample
And
the
that
thing.
me want. I best.
Man, don't kill over now. No,
Yeah,
the point of
chicken.
view, people. This is
We are chicken king.
I've been all over the world and Norway, not Jamaica, but Norway is one of the best places in the world, in Jamaica.
This
Now,
man a
no
worldwide
way.
man. He's a
Peter.
worldwide man. You know. This
People,
man travel every country in the world.
this is Jamaica good life right
This
now.
man travel every country in the world. Simple as that. He's a worldwide man.
See there, people, the party's gonna start later. This is how we live the good life in Jamaica. This is my hometown. What date today? What go on, Tony? So when ready for the world come taste on the food? When ready for the world come taste on the food?
Yeah.
When ready?
Yeah.
Now the tourists them are coming up. Come here tell them say are the best chicken me ever tasted from the man here and enough. He might come back with it.
Oh, you can't talk.
Sleepy.
It's
Coming on, man.
go first. Eddie, whatever. We know say you there. You know left, you there? Yeah, man.
Don't press nothing.
No.
Don't make your finger black. No.
No.
Alright, so this man is the top chef in the community.
Yeah.
This is Randy Pottinger for Jamaica Good Life.
Good life. Jamaica, good life.
The rice for the man cook. Why you make it so good? Because it like it have,
Flavor.
yeah.
Flavor, I think, you know?
Not too much cook now.
No. Everything just
Right.
normal.
But I'm going to taste it.
No. The season is in the taste.
I'm hungry dangerous. Make us see now the chicken. Make us look on it good. Make us look on it. Make us look on it good. Okay.
Taste it to my chicken.
Alright. See if it fall off of the thing. Okay, it fall off. Smell it.
Yeah.
Okay. Straight through. Spicy. I want to taste something with more skin.
The skin part.
You don't take no skin, man.
Yeah, man, that skin part, that skin part.
Alright, Slim, you get the 9. You get the 9.
You get the 9?
You get the 9. 9 out of 10.
You get the 9?
Yeah. Now when you combine it with the rice and this, you
And
get
the vegetable.
favorite thing. For the whole thing. Because
And I thank you, Lord, for every breath I take. And Lord, I want to thank you for everything you do. It's because upon creation I'm so true. I want to thank you, Lord, from the depth of my heart. I want to thank you, John.
Oh, you just certainly got blessed, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Yes, I thank you, Lord, from the depth of my heart. I want to thank you, John.
All when I want bull of me, I have to give thanks to it, see me. Yeah.
Yes, I thank you for all my friends and family. And I pray that you bless my hands. And I thank you for this song and all its melody. And I thank you for true love and harmony.
You don't see the panic on the stream, so. Hey.
From the depth of my heart, I want to thank you, John. I thank you for another day.
Keep on the show, you get favorite streams. Yo.
God, give me strength to face another day.
God bless.
Carry on like a road, carry on my load. Give me strength to try to carry on.
You just really got blessed, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know the party now is showing us one thing at a time, man. You know what I mean? Get some chicken, eat some chicken and well, you should up by the squad, make a machine. Anyway, you stand up and sit up. Yeah.
And so I promise to stay.
Up, 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 up.
And I beg
Well, you should be just.
I
Get that chicken quart, you know.
strength.
Is it?
Face another day. Journey along life's road.
Come on.
Down my heavy road.
All the workers, make a machine. It's the boss. Yo. I like that thing.
See, I don't know if you pass me judgment. How does that make you?
Jump, girl.
See, I don't know if you pass me judgment. I don't like it in that way.
Now we have some people that see us step up in the leg. Them talk all kind of things about you, but Junker.
Yeah, man, what's that? Really? Yeah. Jamaica good life right now. The secret is true. The lady there, fire gun to the king there.
When the beat drop on the heel bars, ice like a freeze, I'm just a little.
Wow, what a good man. You know some money run out. Me not even know. Me never know say this a go happen. Me never know.
I just do my next dance up. Step it dance up so. And so. Black off.
A true dance.
Yes. Our next dance, the up so.
I love it, man. I love it. This is Jamaica Good Life. Now hang out with the big chef right now. This is running Jamaica Good Life. So the big chef. Seriously. I love it now. This is the money short. They're now right now. What is soup?
It's your legacy.
Yeah. Come now. No pressure, Mr. Tell people. Reassure them. What people are somewhere?
You're the man who is a building thing now. How is a building thing?
Are you saying? Camera thing, you know.
Top chef, me I film him. Film the top chef.
That's me top chef.
So yeah,
You know, Mr. Summer Young?
video. One time I did record, but me never save it.
No, me never in it. But me see some,
Yeah.
some clip.
So you are construction man, you build house? This is Jamaica Good Life. I'm have a party up top. This is Norway, Manchester. Cool vibration. Slow night at the party because there's two other sound systems. Drinking a goated soup. This is Jamaica Good Life. I'll call it right there. Stars are in the skies. Beautiful Milky Way is open up to the world. Vibration here, the peace. No mosquito really outside right now. That's one thing I love about this place. In the nighttime, you know, just the breeze is cool and it's just peaceful and relaxing. Just a good vibration. It's heaven. It's way up in the mountains. Thank you for watching this program. I'm home. And yes. Are you there? Oh, go on. You go sleep?
Yeah,
You're up all time, man.
yeah.
So, you everything nicing up on the thing?
Can I help you now?
It up.
Yeah. You can know. You pass on, you can know what you have some back to school business I deal with.
Okay, so things.
So, I think that's what for me now.
Eh?
I think that's what for me now.
Okay. Yeah, man.
So, you don't eat some picnic, you don't go deal with some issue for them.
You have to go dig some more. Do some more
I
farming.
deal with some issue for them. If you got back to school, back.
And that's what everybody say. Everybody say that.
No.
Run yourself. You're tough.
It's tough, man. I told him, I'm here around me right now.
Mm-hmm.
He's going to spend time with me.
Oh, have you with them?
Yeah, we are there.
Yeah? So tomorrow I come check you. What time you leave for bush?
I'm going to work tomorrow.
So me come check you tomorrow. Alright? Now more come see them. More come see them, man, because the last time we did. You drive? Mm-hmm. This is home. That's why I love this place, man. And today we're going to get ready to go to another vibration. It's make them know say, now my machete and I'm ready for go. Make sure you get the machete.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.